This is Michael. This is Michael from SoftwareOasis.com. We're doing a 30-day challenge covering 90 top software solutions for growing and managing your business online. In each 180-second video, you'll get 6 quick actionable tips. So let's get started with F for Fresh Sales. This AI-powered sales CRM helps you sell smarter and close deals faster. Freddy AI is the built-in AI assistant. It helps customer-facing teams unify your CRM data for sales, marketing, and support teams. So tip number 1, use AI for data enrichment. Use the auto profile enrichment features to automatically append data to accurately autofill publicly and socially available information. Tip 2, use built-in integrations in the Launchpad, broken into different categories, including accounting and invoicing, data sync, files and proposals, to enrich your experience. So, for example, QuickBooks, Stripe, Xero, Chargebee are accounting applications. You have all types of native as well as Zapier integrations. Tip 3, prioritize your accounts and deals. Fresh Sales uses data to determine which accounts and deals have the highest potential. Tip 4, context scoring. Use the Freddy AI context scoring feature to automatically assign each contact a score based on attributes and engagement with your business. This helps you identify and prioritize your most qualified leads. Tip number 5, next best actions. Freddy AI can use smart suggestions to detect out-of-office responses, manage calendars, reschedule, stay organized, and prioritize sales activities. Tip 6, reports and dashboards. Monitor key metrics and make data-driven decisions with AI-powered pre-built or custom reports in dashboards. Track your team's performance and identify areas for improvement. Bonus tip 7, leverage Freddy AI's sales analytics to gain insights into sales pipeline, deal progress, and customer engagement. Get a free demo of Fresh Sales by clicking the link below this video or going to softwareoasis.com/fresh sales. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see if we make our goal. If you found our tips helpful, please help us out by sharing our channel. Whether you can help us reach 1 new subscriber or 1 million, your support is very much appreciated.